Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can summon an Ancient Kraken on Fish. So make sure it is the daylight, and you are going to purchase the Zeus totem, if I'm not mistaken. It's the Poseidon Wrath totem. And you are just going to basically use that. I'm not going to use it though because it cost me a lot. It cost me like 2 million, I think, 2.5. So make sure you're ready with your rods and stuff. I use the Heaven's Rod and the Truffle Worm bait for it. But yeah, just good luck. And just stay here until the Kraken event starts. You can speed it up with a Sundial Totem if you would like to, but I would just wait. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Here is what you could get. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.